Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, When Thieves Rob the Wrong House, brings you shocking dashcam and security footage where criminals make the worst mistake of their lives and instantly regret it. Sit back and watch karma strike fast. Let's watch the moment these thieves realize they broke into the wrong house. This thief planned to break in by dropping down from the roof, but the homeowner had a big surprise waiting for him. In the end, he paid the price for his actions. This thief was completely shocked to find out there was a security camera there. This guy tries to break into the house, but the solid door shuts him down and forces him to walk away. A group of armed thieves approaches the house with full confidence, but they badly misjudged the situation, and the ending was nothing like they expected. Don't leave items on your porch. Thieves these days are getting more aggressive. He definitely learned a lesson he'll never forget. Fed up with packages being stolen from his front door, the homeowner decided to set a trap for the thief. Let's see if this girl manages to take the package from this house without any trouble. trying to jump over a metal fence. The thief never expected to put himself in an extremely embarrassing situation, a complete failure. This package thief's greed got him caught red-handed. Let's watch how this thief gets taught a lesson by the homeowner. This thief tries to break down the door, but things don't go as planned. The screaming scares him off. The homeowner spotted the thieves on camera and called the police. They thought they could get away, but just 15 minutes later, thanks for watching. When thieves rob the wrong... Instant karma. Which moment shocked you the most? Do you think these thieves got what they deserved? Share your thoughts in the comments. Like the...